In one of the world's largest king penguin colonies, chicks must be able to make it through the winter without food. This chick can expect one of three fates: be eaten alive, starve to death, or hang on one more day until their parents return with food. And here they are. Look at all their bellies, they're all stuffed. How is it possible that life can come back from the dead? The island of South Georgia was the scene of one of the worst wildlife massacres in history. Species driven to near extinction, the whaling stations were abandoned. This is an awe-inspiring story of how, if given the chance, nature can bounce back on a scale you're not going to believe. My name's Bertie Gregory and I'm a National Geographic wildlife filmmaker. This is Resurrection Island. Less than 100 years ago, the penguins of South Georgia were being used as kindling for whaling station fires. But now, we finally made it to St Andrews Bay, you know, the busiest beach on the planet. It's funny, when you read about king penguins on paper, you know, you read they dive to 300 meters, 1,000 feet in some of the roughest ocean in the world. And then they come back to here, this kind of blizzard, snow-covered mountainous island to breed. And you meet them and they're just totally unfazed. Hello. Some of these adults might not have set foot on land for 5 months to see their chicks. And with a belly full of fish, that's no easy task. The worst part is over. Just a nice stroll to find the kids. Great, a blubbery roadblock of elephant seals.